Hello, it's Natasha Soderberg, and I'm going to read one of our family's favorite books again today. It's called The Paper Dolls. It's written by Julia Donaldson and Rebecca Cobb. There once was a girl who had tiger slippers, and a ceiling with stars on it, and a butterfly hair slide which she kept losing, and 2 goldfish, and a nice mother who helped her to make some paper dolls. They were Ticky and Tacky, and Jackie the Backy, and Jim with 2 noses, and Joe with the bow. There's Joe with the bow. And they danced, and they jumped, and they sang. And they met a dinosaur who clawed and roared and said, "I'm going to get you." But the paper dolls sang, "You can't get us, oh no, no. We're holding hands and we won't let go. We're Ticky and Tacky and Jackie the Backy, and Jim with 2 noses and Joe with the bow." And they jumped. Onto a bus, and rode to a farmyard and danced with the pigs. Then they lay on a rooftop and stared at the stars till a tiger slunk out of his den. And he crouched and snarled and said, "I'll leap up and catch you." But the paper dolls sang, "You can't catch us, oh no, no. We're holding hands and we won't let go. We're Ticky and Tacky and Jackie the Backy, and Jim with 2 noses and Joe with the bow." And they floated. Down the stairs, and then danced around the honey pot, and kicked crumbs and explored an island, till a fierce crocodile grinned his grin and gnashed his teeth and said, "I'm coming to crunch you." But the paper dolls laughed and sang, "You can't crunch us, oh no, no. We're holding hands and we won't let go. We're Ticky and Tacky and Jackie the Backy, and Jim with 2 noses and Joe with the bow." And they hopped into the garden, and they sniffed the flowers and chatted to a ladybird, and lay down in a forest of grass. But along came a boy with a pair of scissors, and he said, "I'll snip you." And he did. He snipped them into tiny little pieces, and he said, "You're gone forever." But the paper dolls sang, "We're not gone, oh no, no. We're holding hands and we won't let go. We're Ticky and Tacky and Jackie the Backy, and Jim with 2 noses and Joe with the bow." And all the pieces joined together, and the paper dolls flew into the little girl's memory, where they found white mice and fireworks and a starfish soap and the butterfly hair slide and a kind granny and more lovely things each day and each year. And the girl grew into a mother. She helped her own little girl make some paper dolls. They were Poppy and Pinky and Binky the Blinky, and Fred with 1 eyebrow, and Flo with the bow. And they jumped and they danced and they sang. The end.